Hey guys, I'm Saurav. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox a very special package from Nikon and I'm very excited for it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we have a Nikon Z50 with us. Inside the box, you get a very small, compact, beautiful body of the Nikon Z50, and with that you get a 16 to 50mm lens. Again, the camera and the lens are very compact, but the build quality is really good here. You also get a camera strap, a battery and a battery charger. So nothing much fancy inside the box. Things starts to get better when you see what the camera can actually offer. First, when I saw this camera, I thought it's a baby version of the Nikon Z6. But there are certain differences that makes the Nikon Z50 a special camera. It can shoot 4K 30fps, 1080p 120fps with continuous autofocus like the Nikon Z6, but for vloggers especially, you have a downwards tilting screen that is again very helpful. If you're hand holding the camera, this becomes very handy. If you want to attach it to a tripod, obviously you have to attach it to a small rig and then attach to a tripod. Talking about photos, it has 20.9 crop sensor and it can do 11 fps, which is amazing for such a small body. In spite of such a small camera body, the grip is really good. Nowadays, the smaller camera bodies, I feel the grip is not that good, and this thing matters to me a lot. So I really love the grip of the Nikon Z50. I love how compact they have made the camera and the lens, but still they have maintained amazing quality. The videos and photos coming out of the kit lens are also extremely sharp. I am very excited about this camera. I have used it for a couple of days and I'm already loving it. I love the colors, the sharpness, the contrast, and again the screen is very beautiful. Talking about target audience, I think this is a perfect camera for all the bloggers and content creators because of how small the camera is, but the quality is so good. I can't give my complete review now until and unless I use it for a longer period of time. But for now, I'm very happy and excited to use it. Thank you Nikon for sending the camera. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, press the like button. Stay tuned to my channel to see more about the Nikon Z50. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.